This is Alicia here, your Texas girl, and I am here to introduce you to a game-changing opportunity that would change the way your travel experience is going through airports. One where you will not have to take your shoes off and you're able to leave your electronics in the bag. It'll have you breezing through the airport. Now, this program is called TSA PreCheck. And I'm here to take you on this journey of getting your TSA PreCheck. It's pretty simple to get started. First, you complete an online application on the TSA website. It's a breeze. You just fill out some basic information, pay the $85 application fee, and once your online application is done, it's time for you to schedule an in-person appointment. Now, these in-person appointments take place at enrollment centers, and these centers are all over the country. So don't stress about trying to get one because they are everywhere. And you want to bring a valid ID and proof of citizenship. That's typically a passport or a birth certificate along with your driver's license. Now, this is the step where they will verify your identity. They will collect necessary documentation and they will do what's necessary for the background check, and that includes collecting your fingerprints. Then you wait. Once everything checks out, you then receive your KTN, which is your known traveler number. This will allow you to use those expedited security lanes when traveling in the U.S. and ensure that your travel experience is elevated. Now, I'm going to ask you to go ahead and share this with your friends and your family, and then be sure to check back for part 2, where I tell you who gets TSA PreCheck for free. Bye for now.